this is Katie, and today we are going to be making some red velvet slime. So first you want some PVA glue. You can use pretty much any type of glue. I used Play-Doh brand. So next you want to add some shaving foam. You can use any type of either shaving cream, shaving gel. I got the Meyer brand. So what you want to do now is grab a craft stick or any, you can use a spatula, whatever you would like, and stir the mixture of the shaving foam and the glue. So the texture should look about like this. So the next thing you want to do is get 1 drop of black washable paint. And now you want to do about 4 drops estimate of red washable paint. So your color should look about like this. To do your borax, what I do is 1 teaspoon borax to 1/2 cup of warm water. You want to stir the mix until the borax is fully dissolved into the water. I would do a little bit of borax at a time because you don't want to over borax it or else it'll be really rubbery and you don't want that. So it won't come together yet, but just keep on adding your borax and it should turn out. So your texture won't be it might be a little bit clumpy, but now what you want to do is just add a little bit of shaving foam. The more shaving foam you add, the more bigger it gets, but if after you put it in a container, it kind of shortens a little bit, so be cautious. So you want to knead your slime. Right about at this point, it should be not really stretchy, but it should start turning out like slime. So now what you want to do is add some lotion. You can do any type of lotion. I use this almond and vanilla scent lotion. So it should smell like almond and it just smells like red velvet. Adding lotion, you could do this before and after you make your slime. I just think it makes it more stretchy and adds a scent to it. So here is some ASMR.